So let's get started. We'll do 5 bags total, just one for each day of the week. I created this course when I was a busy working professional. I was a litigation attorney working 60, 80 hours a week. I had no time. I was finding it really difficult to stay on top of healthy eating, which was really important to me, and I needed to find a better way. And this is a great recipe because we're just throwing everything in a bowl and mixing it together, and we have muffins. What I did is I created the systematized meal preparation method where I could plan out my meals for the week and cook for the week in a short period of time. So just take a handful and just fill up the rest of the jars. All you have to do is go grocery shopping. I give you the list, come home, open up the video and cook with me for 2 hours. At the end of this 2-hour session, you have all your meals for the week. You've got breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. You have a lot of variety. It's all paleo approved and it's ready to go. I designed this program to accommodate all skill levels. Cooking is a skill and I can teach you how to make it fun. Nice job, Lee.